Alright guys, so today's video we're going to be showing you how to make a Reddit story video. Since the last one I accidentally put it into a YouTube short instead of a long form. So here's what I got right now. Why am I using this gun? Did I choose it? Or like what? I'm confused. I haven't played this video in a little while. I got First Blood. It's a fun game. I like the movement a lot. Especially this little jump thing. Like that. Always saves you sometimes. Sometimes you gotta pull out the banana. Love you, bro. Is that good, bro? This game is not even that hard to me. I mean, where am I supposed to take it? Movie? Sure, that's a speed potion, so. But what you're gonna do is just gonna record some of this. As you can see in the right, you got your keybinds. Like the emo keybind. Hold up. Okay. Alright. Revive or respawn. So, and then after you get some recording, uh, you need get at least like 5 minutes so you can use it multiple times. Get him! Oh, I gotta reload. Wait, pause. Wait, I gotta reload. Pause. Don't tell me you died at that kid. I killed them both. Alright, let's go. Wait, no! Alright, but yeah, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and open your browser, search of 11 Labs, click it. I've already done this like 6 times. Log in, go and create a login or sign up. And text to speech, put the thing in there. Here's the prompt. I put it, and then also, wait, no. Take Chat GPT first, okay? Go ahead and you can have text to speech turned on. Open up Chat GPT. I put Roblox Reddit story. I accidentally misspelled it. But then it said TikTok. I put TikTok, and then I grabbed it POV. I break my game. You're just gonna wanna. Sorry if I'm being really fast. I'm just trying to hurry up because this video is done short. Then we're gonna do copy, okay, and then put it into 11 Labs. Right here, just paste it into 11 Labs, generate speech, download it right here, and then go to CapCut, import the video. Use the video I just posted that I messed up. So I'm just gonna delete it. Let's just say this video is it. Import it. I'm gonna do text, auto captions, English. I'm gonna delete current captions if you want, and then edit the video how you like it. Add a couple hooks, and then you want to do resolution export settings. This is your export settings. So I'm gonna click export. The resolution I did 1080p because it's a good. I mean, you could do 2K. It's a good video quality. Um, So, and it's faster to upload. Then I got recommended for the bitrate thing. I just never touched this. HEVC, never touched that because I don't know what that means. Then FPS, this is what you always want to touch. Do 120. I don't know what that is. But export, you can name the video so you know which one it is, or change the file location. Export it, upload it, and yeah, that's simple as that. Thanks for watching. Bye.